friends. It's me again, Miss Rachel. I'm here today because your teacher special requested signs for the life cycle of a butterfly. So today I'm going to teach you how to sign each step in the process, and then I'm going to show you something that, I think it's really cool. Are you ready? Let's go. So first, we have the sign for the first part of the process, which is an egg. So you have two H's and you stack them on top of each other like that. And if you tap it, that's the sign for name. But we're going to keep ours there and we're going to drop them down so they point down. It's like you have an egg that you're breaking into a bowl. The other name for it is the ovum. You've learned that word, right? Well, I hope you have. And if not, now you know the word ovum means egg. The second part of the cycle is called the larva, and it looks like that. You kind of wiggle your finger and you move it forward on your palm. It's also the name for a caterpillar. But for some scientists, the fancy word is larva, because it looks like a caterpillar crawling. All right, the third step is the pupa, but we also know the word chrysalis, and it looks like that. It's like when a caterpillar climbs up a tree, grabs onto a branch, and then it spins itself around and forms its cocoon. It's like the shape of the cocoon. So that's how you sign pupa. Your finger, it's going to be like a tree branch. So the last part of the process is going to be called the adult phase. But you'll also see the word butterfly, and it looks like a butterfly flying. So first we have our egg, and it's sitting on a little leaf. The egg starts moving around, and then it breaks open, and out pops the little caterpillar. Little caterpillar is crawling around, and he's eating and eating and eating, and he gets fatter and fatter and fatter, and then it's hard for him to move. But he finds a tree, and he struggles to make his way up to the branch and holds on. And then he spins himself around and forms himself a little cocoon. He's hanging there, and then he starts to move. And he breaks himself open and he becomes a butterfly. He's got to dry out his wings, so he has to practice flapping them before he can fly away. Did you know that ASL has signs that are called iconic signs, and it means that it looks like what the sign represents? So for example, you have a tree, and it looks like the tree. You have the trunk and you have your branches. The sign caterpillar, it looks like a caterpillar crawling. The sign butterfly looks like a butterfly. But they're different than classifiers, which is a different concept, and you don't need to know that right now. But iconic signs are very important in ASL because ASL is a visual language. So you can see and understand what's happening. So you show it. So for example, when you're running, it looks like you're running. Iconic signs can be fun and are very helpful in storytelling. So, I'm going to show you how a storyteller uses these iconic signs. I found this video on YouTube, and I thought it was an amazing use of some iconic signs and also some classifiers, but for right now, I want you to pay attention and watch for the iconic signs. Here you go. So that's what the life cycle of a butterfly looks like. I hope you learned something new.